MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news via video media.
Nick, we've got a working representation of a Fastems unit here.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a bit more?
Okay, so the proposal from Fastems is that standalone machines that are tended by people are significantly less efficient than machines that are automatically tended. And what we have here is a working model of how we store material ready to be machined and how we deliver using a stacker crane material to and from the machines and to and from the workstations where they're loaded onto the pallets. And this is just a representation of how you can have something that will work all by itself, unattended, lights out, machining, evenings, weekends, Christmas Day.
So it's very futuristic looking, but it's safe to say somewhere in the UK or somewhere abroad this would exist.
If we're honest, the actual pallet management is a well-established technology that every self-respecting warehouse in the country will have. The clever bit is the control system and the software that schedules the work, tells the operator what to load, when to load it, checks that we've got availability of raw materials, probably also checks that we've got availability of cutting tools and cutting tool life sufficient to machine the number of components that are wanted to be machined. We can go further, we can download orders from the ERP system with dates by which the orders have got to be created, and the system will automatically schedule everything just to all come together at the right time.
And Nick, in automation, everybody wants to talk about payback. What is the typical payback of a Fastems system?
We reckon payback generally is 2 years, and I'll give you a bit of an analogy for that, and it probably goes something like, if you were to give me $250,000 now, and in 2 years' time I was to give you $250,000 back, and then 2 years later I was to give you another $250,000, and 2 years later I was to give you another $250,000, would you go for that?
I also hear you're an expert when we're talking automation and seminars.
Well, our biggest challenge is how we get the message across to our potential customers, because with due respect to engineers in the UK, it is not as well understood as it might be. And yet we do just the odd seminar every now and again.
Okay, Nick, and if I'm a business owner, I don't have to go to the shop floor to see my information now, do I? We've got dashboard.
No, the dashboard allows the business owner to have a television screen in their office, configure it as they want, to show everything from machine utilization, productivity, future productivity, any problems, you can see it at a glance.
And if I'm interested in automation and I want to speak to the experts, how do I get in touch?
You want to talk to the world leaders, Fastems, and you can either contact me, and my details are on the website. You'll find us electronically wherever you like.